Hey there, looking to give your Gmail account a fresh new look by changing your username? You have come to the right place. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC and head over to gmail.com. Now log into your account. Once you are in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. A menu will pop up. Select Manage your Google account. Now you will be on your Google account page. Look for Personal Info tab on the left hand side and click it. Scroll down until you see Profile section. Here you will find your current username. Click on it to edit it. Type in your new desired username. Once you have entered your desired username, click Save. And that's it, your Gmail username is now updated. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.